Dream House of Mr. and Mrs. Lemuel and Danicel Ronquillo. Si Ma'am Anser po pala ay parehong caregiver OFW sa bansang Israel. Hello po sa lahat, welcome back po ulit sa ating YouTube channel OFW Simple House Vlog. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. For every house is built by someone, but God is the builder of everything. Hebrews 3 verse 4. House floor plan 58 square meter, 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Mayroon pong binago sila ni Sir sa plano ng bahay. Gumawa pa sila ng 2 toilet and bath at garahe. Lot 250 square meter, binili nila sa halagang 450,000 pesos, located in Tarlac, Philippines. Building started on August 2020. Samahan niyo po ako na panoorin natin ang pinagawang bahay ng dalawa nating kababayan mula umpisa hanggang matapos, hanggang ma-fully furnish po ang buong bahay. I'm sure na magugustuhan niyo po ito dahil napakaganda po ang bahay mula labas at loob nito. Start installation of steel trusses. Steel trusses installation, gumamit po sila dito ng angle bar at saka zipper. Roofing installation, gumamit po sila dito ng rib type color roof, long span. Start finishing or plastering ng bahay inside and outside. Start installation of ceiling of the house. Two door, main door, and exit door. Start painting inside and outside of the house. Installation tiles. Making kitchen o ang paggawa ng kusina sa loob ng bahay. Installation sliding windows. Using by square tube. Dining and kitchen area. Hallway going to the bedrooms. Toilet and bath area 1. Master bedroom. Toilet and bath inside of the bedroom. This is the bedroom 2. Started building this house August 2020 and finished building after 4 months. Kontrata po ang pagpapagawa ng bahay nilang mag-asawa. Special thanks po pala sa kontraktor nila na si Sir Pastor Orlan Garcia at sa asawa niya na si tita nila Ma'am Yoli Garcia. House size 58 square meter, 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. This is the living area. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po at nakarating po kayo sa dulo ng ating video. Shout out to Sir Cristahil watching from China. Sa garage area po pala nito ay may sukat po itong 28 square meter. Si Sir Lemuel po pala ay 31 years old at si Ma'am naman po, Danicel, ay 28 years old. Pareho po silang nagtatrabaho sa bansang Israel bilang isang caregiver. 6 years na rin abroad si Sir at si Ma'am naman po ay 4 years na rin siyang abroad. 3 years na rin silang kasal from Tarlac, Philippines. Building the house cost $26,000 or 1.3 million pesos with labor. Congrats Mr. and Mrs. Lemuel and Danicel Ronquillo, Israel OFW from Tarlac, Philippines. Thank you so much mga ka-OFW. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please subscribe na sa Randillero YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit bell button for our latest updates.